Okay, well, welcome to all of you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome again to all of you to INTERCLEAN Amsterdam Online.
Okay, well, the winner in this year's Machines category in the Amsterdam Innovation Award is LionsBot for LeoBot.
Vacuumtronic by Hermes.
For ToolSense IoT and ToolSense Now.
Stork Virtual Reality Clean Hands.
These masks, sometimes when you wear it for a very, very long time, like these, you can actually have marks on your face or even scars.
What we did need to get over was that the PPE you were putting in to go into the area wasn't your PPE for protecting the patient, it was the PPE just for protecting you.
Due to less regular care, the turnover is still going down about 15 to 20%.
The key thing here is that the traces of the virus that were found are not active.
In cooperation with the Zero Waste Foundation, we are building a zero waste dome in the exhibition hall.
You have to make sure that people come across visual reminders to wash their hands at different places in the building. It's best to put this as a rhetorical question, such as, did you wash your hands today?
Cobotics is basically the genuine collaboration between frontline workers, machine and robots.
And you can also plan in that way for minimized contact between your cleaning staff and visitors in the building.
And thanks again, and stay safe and healthy. So thank you all for being with us.